Vergo, version 0.1.0. Click Check for updates. The signed bundle downloads, the signature verifies, and the app restarts. Now it is 0.2.0. The update came from a manifest hosted on localhost, verified against a public key embedded in the binary. Here is how the plugin wires up. Generate a signing keypair. Private key stays on the build machine, public key gets compiled into every release. Add Tauri plugin updater to Cargo dependencies, plus the matching capability in capabilities/default. In tauri.conf.json, the updater block. Endpoints is the URL the plugin will hit for the manifest. Pubkey is the public half of the keypair, compiled into every binary. The plugin rejects HTTP by default. For local testing, opt in with Dangerous Insecure Transport Protocol. In production, this flag goes away and the endpoint becomes HTTPS. In lib.rs, register the plugin on the builder and add one command. Check_update calls App.tsx. If the manifest version is newer, download _and install fetches, verifies, replaces, and restart relaunches into the new binary. The two closures passed to download and install are progress callbacks. Empty here. In production, they drive a progress bar. On the React side, getVersion reads the runtime version from Cargo. The button calls invoke check_update. Errors propagate back as strings, so a try-catch around invoke is enough. Write the manifest. Version, signature, URL for each platform. Signature is the full contents of the .sig file produced by the build, including the comment header. Host the manifest and bundles. Local Python server here for the demo. In production, an HTTPS CDN bucket or GitHub releases. The installed app is 0.1.0, sitting in applications. Manifest is being served on localhost. Click Check for updates. The plugin gets the manifest, sees version 0.2.0, and starts downloading the signed bundle. The bundle's signature is verified against the public key compiled into the running binary. If they do not match, the install is rejected. Signature good. The bundle is untarred over the running app. Restart relaunches into the new version. About 3 seconds end to end. Self-updating Tauri apps. Keypair, public key in config, signed bundles, manifest hosted, somewhere static. One command in Rust, one button in React. The plugin handles download, verification, install, and restart. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tauri tutorials, drop a comment with questions for Claude to reply, and share with anyone shipping desktop software.